This 2025 Winnebago Revel 2.5 44E is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 7 inches in length and features a stealth gray interior, sleeps 2, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, smoke detector, stove top burner, skylight, LP detector, air conditioning, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Revel 2.5 44E is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Chassis and is powered by a 2.0L turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.